Hello everyone, in today's lesson we're going to be looking at finding a rule when we're given the gradient and y-intercept. So first of all we need to remember the magic that is y equals mx plus c. And we need to remember that m is our gradient and that c represents the y-intercept. So knowing these two things and the example we have here, we're going to find the rule that would relate to that example. So first thing we're going to be able to do here is we're going to be able to plug in the gradient. So y equals our gradient is -2 and the y-intercept is 3. It's that simple, so pretty easy. What we need to do is take what we've got and plug it into our magic of y equals mx plus c.